Hi everyone, in this video today I am going to show you how to create digital stickers to sell on Etsy. Digital stickers are one of the top selling products on Etsy that we can easily make in Canva. So for this, let's go to the Canva website. And this is the home page of the Canva. Here we can make our sticker. So for this, let's go to the create a design and then choose your document. For the sticker, I'll choose US letter document. You can also custom your size from here. Choose inches, centimeter, etc. I'll choose this one. Let's make it bigger. And then go to the elements and choose your design. Suppose I am going to make stickers for kids, so I am going to search rainbow and then go to the graphics and choose any of these which you like most. I'll choose this one. Let's choose this one. And if you want to add some text over here, you can also add. Just go to the text and then choose your text. There are so many options available. I'll choose this one. And then adjust it like this. You can also change the effect of the text from here. Choose this color and then choose the color. You can also increase or decrease the size of the fonts and also increase letter spacing from here. And now it's ready to download. For this, go to the share button and click on the download and download with transparent background. Now let's make the another one. For this I am going to add the another page, and now I am going to search for the panda. I like this one, so let's add, adjust it and add the text if you want. And then change the color. And if you want to add some another things like hearts, flowers, anything you can also add. Suppose I am going to add hearts, so let's search for the hearts. And then choose the color and adjust it like this. Now let's download this page. For this, again go to the share button and download with transparent background. And now I am going to add the another page to add all these stickers in one page. So first of all, let's choose the color. I'll choose the yellow, and then upload the stickers here. Just click on it and drag it over here like this, and then adjust it. And if you want to add some white border here, you can also add. Just go to the edit image and then scroll down and select this glow effect from the shadow, and then decrease the blur to 0 and increase the transparency to 100. Then choose the color and increase the size of the border. By this way you can make your stickers more attractive. So guys, by this way you can create multiple stickers very easily in just few minutes in Canva. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this tutorial, so don't forget to like, comments and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching this video.